Good morning. It's Joy from your AI Wizards. And this morning I was thinking about why should somebody get started with ChatGPT? Why should a 60-year-old get started with ChatGPT? Who better to ask than ChatGPT? So that was my prompt this morning. Give me 10 reasons why a 60-year-old person should use ChatGPT. Check it out. Lifelong learning. I love that. It can be a great tool for continual learning, instant access to information, and literally almost every topic. So if you are interested in continuing to learn on any subject, ChatGPT is a great avenue or a great tool to use. Social interaction, not so much. Memory assistance. This is why I love ChatGPT because it really takes the pressure off me to remember everything. I remember back when I was working many years ago, I was a director of a preschool and I could remember every parent's name and their phone number. What I wouldn't give for that today. But I don't have to have that because I have Chat GPT that can help me recall information anytime I want it. So I use it as a memory assistance tool, and it takes just all the pressure off of me. You can use it for entertainment. You can use it for staying up to date on information that's going on in the world on any subject matter. It also helps you with tech familiarity. Some of us are so afraid to get into the tech world. We've been out of it, or we're done, retired from work, or we work part time, and we just don't want to learn something else. Well, that's something else that's so great about ChatGPT is it is so easy to use. And the more you use it, just like anything else, the better you get. So it is great to use ChatGPT to come into your life. Mental exercises, absolutely. And then personalized information. And I really like this one too, because unlike browsing the internet where information can be overwhelming, ChatGPT can provide tailored answers to your specific questions. So you're not overwhelmed with information. What's great about ChatGPT is it's a conversation. You get an answer, you want something else, you put in another prompt. Those are just some of the reasons why a 60-year-old should start engaging with ChatGPT. If you don't know, I turned 60 this year. I know I am not the norm, but I really wanted to share some reasons on why you should start engaging with this tool because it only gets better the more you engage with it. All right. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time.